Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make animal prints and patterns. Now quickly moving to the product I've used. Let's start with the video now. And I've already drawn 3 fashion figures including skin, rendering, hair and everything. Now I'll be doing the zebra patterns. Now for that I use this black color, acrylic color, and with the help of this miniature brush I'm going to make patterns on it. I made those patterns really thin and narrow. You can make it bold as well, and also take reference from Pinterest and Google Images. It's really easy to make zebra patterns as it requires only one color, and for giving the shadow and everything, just to give a shadow effect, you can use a diluted black color. Add a little more of water to the color, it becomes diluted, and use it. Now again, for the shadow effect, as the way I said, I use diluted color, and with the help of two brush technique I'm going to do the shading. Now two brush technique is something that you need to use two brush, as it says. One is the fine tip brush for applying the paint, and second one is the flat tip brush for blending the color. After completing zebra patterns, we are going to be moving towards our leopard print, and for that I used a yellow ochre. You need to use a diluted yellow ochre on selected areas, as you can see. Now for the patterns I used black color, and with this small fine tip brush I am just doing small circles, as you can see. After that I used cadmium yellow hue color. I used a little bit of permanent yellow deep color. Here I used burnt sienna for giving a little shading. Again, two brush technique, one for applying the paint and second one is the flat tip brush for blending it. Lastly, for the snake print pattern, I used the same burnt sienna color, added a little white to it and mixed it and got this shade which I used for my base color. Now I'll be doing small rhombus shaped patterns with the help of the diluted burnt sienna color, which is a little darker tone than the usual base color. Here I use titanium white color. To that I use diluted black color. After doing detailings with the diluted black color, I'm going to use the black color right now. Here I use burnt sienna on top of the detailing. Lastly, I use diluted black color for giving a little bit of shading to make it look more realistic. I hope you really like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with the very next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching.